A till operator at Enrichers Group, Bilisan Yati, is on the run after allegedly making off with $12,000 from the company on July 15, 2025. So Rabina Mashokono on the two operator in Richards, Iowa, just vanished. Net $12,000. Lord subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina Panapa Munauj Zerem Mckenzie. Mashingo Provincial Police Spokesperson Inspector Kudakwa Shedewa confirmed the incident and called on businesses to strengthen their cash handling system to avoid similar losses, said Inspector Dewa. We have received a report concerning an employee at N. Richards who stole $12,000 from the company. We are appealing to the members of the public for any information on Yati. Businesses should not keep such amounts of money with the two operators. Rather, they should deposit them in banks for safety. Sources close to the incident say Yati went about his usual sales duties throughout the day, but left the shop around 2 p.m., claiming he was going to collect change from another N. Richards branch located across the street. His absence raised suspicions when he failed to return after several hours. Security personnel became concerned and began searching for him. Repeated attempts to reach him by phone were unsuccessful, with his mobile reportedly switched off. When the management reviewed the day's transactions, they discovered that Yati had handled cement sales amounting to $12,000, money that was never deposited. This prompted the company to issue a high priority alert, and the Richards Group is now offering a $2,000 reward for any information that leads to Yati's arrest. Anyone with the relevant information is urged to contact the company through the following number: +263 772 900 995 or +263 776 987 494. Alternatively, tip-offs can be made via the NRG toll-free tip offline at 08080688 or through the call center 08512011111. Reports can also be made to the nearest police station. Domat Velombons aripopangwa ine onekwa kunzi aiwa ti operator aiwa voshayikwa vodisappear nemari chitiko choitika nyika yeZimbabwe panapa vanhu tinotongoziva kuti vanhu vanotonga vachitongotaura nawo. Tiudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko aiwa chasakisa kuti ti operator aiwe ashayikwe nemari. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu, musana subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.